Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox pomegranate orange juice. Now, this is best had during breakfast on empty stomach. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of pomegranate kernels, nicely separated. It's important not to add the internal skin part because it makes the juice bitter. To this, I add some oranges. I've completely de-seeded them and I added to the mixer grinder. I then top this up with some ginger pieces. It's about 1 inch of ginger nicely chopped. Then add some lemon juice to provide a tangy and a refreshing taste. I add a glass of water so that all of these get submerged completely. Now it's time to grind it. You see that I run the juice through a sieve then to remove all the hard particles. Top it up with some pepper. Add some honey on top of this, which is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Now our 100% detox pomegranate orange juice is ready to be had. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.